people have been asking us what we've done with Big Wares. Have we renamed them? No, we haven't. We've just got a new pole. It looks pretty much exactly the same, except for Big Wares is a slightly older version of this pole, and this is Leroy. He's the new version of the Streamline OVA8 25-foot pole, so it's got a few adjustments that Big Wares doesn't have. Like, for instance, you can turn the head to do Juliet balconies, and anyone that does use the Waterfed pole will know that Juliet balconies can be a bit tricky. One thing we love about Streamline and OVA8 is that the pole is actually not round. It's actually oval, and I don't know if you can see that from the video, but it's actually oval shaped, which means that when you're cleaning, sometimes on the round poles, which we have had before, they just play a bit at the top. They tend to swivel, whereas this will never do it, and it won't wear down quite as quickly as the other poles. The jets on this pole are absolutely brilliant, as they are on Big Wares. They literally ping off the panes of glass, so it's really satisfying, and you really feel like you're really washing the windows really well with this. It's also really lightweight, so this is another thing where we have to put Big Wares to more, is more suited to big high rises or anything that needs a 40-foot pole basically. This is really light. It's brilliant and perfect for everyday use. And also, OVA8 just announced they're now going to be making a 17-foot pole, which will be brilliant as well, because that means that my mum can have one. And yeah, we'll be invested in that shortly. So this is Leroy, Big Wares is in bed, and we love our little pole.